federal shutdown is now on its 38th day, now marking the longest in U.S. history. The effects continue to hit communities and places previous shutdowns haven't. As News 13's Amy Diaz tells us, a local early learning program is in danger of shutting its doors.
The longer the gap, the harder it is to really come back.
Head Start program at Early Education and Care Inc. in Panama City runs about 10 centers with over 300 children. The program provides low-income families with free school readiness resources like early learning, health, nutrition, and family support services. But it's funded mainly through the federal government, which means if the government doesn't reopen soon, they'll miss their budget deadline of December 1st. The center hasn't seen an increase in their budget in 2 years. This year, they already had to make changes to student capacity levels to keep up with the same budget of $7.3 million.
One time we had 587, but we had to cut our numbers because of our budget. There have been no increases. We had to make a decision that the only way that we could was to reduce the number of children in our program and take those funds to help our staff salaries increase.
Flowers herself has worked for the program for over 45 years. They say their staff, like many, can't afford to miss a paycheck.
A lot of our staff, just like anyone else, their paycheck's a paycheck or month to month. Mm-hmm. So, not only are they worried about their children in the classroom and what they have to face going into a possibly closing the doors to something that's very passionate to them, to how is it going to affect their home life.
They say a possible closure would not just affect their staff, but the students in their care.
For the boys, it would be somewhat critical because he's already accustomed that when he wakes up, he's going to school. Sometimes we go by here on Saturday or Sunday and he says, that's my school, that's my school. So yeah, he's used to a routine of coming here to Head Start.
Torres' grandchildren both attend Head Start programs. Flowers says they just want a decision to be made at the federal level.
People say it's the Democrats and it's the Republican, but I'm sorry, they're not feeling the pain. We're here with the people who are actually feeling the pain, and we're feeling the pain.
In Bay County, Amy Diaz, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Nationwide, the Head Start program serves over 750,000 children.